see accounting process. The same accounting process we can say it as accounting cycle also. How will be the accounting process means with which transaction will start this entries or will make entering into books. All these things process by process we can just find out, that we call it as a accounting process, or you can say it as a accounting cycle. Cycle means it's in circle, in the same circle it moves, means step by step it goes. So accounting cycle or accounting process is the one of the very important process of recording the transactions in financial accounting. So this is basically related to the initial stage transactions. So that how we can enter it. So let me explain you very clearly through a diagram. So this is accounting process or cycle. In this process, the first stage will be business transactions. Business transactions means nothing but daily wise transactions. So that transaction we have to take it. We have to observe those transactions. We have to consider those transactions. Once if we know that transactions are taking place and so many transactions are there, then these transactions we have to take it into the next level, that is recording of entry. We need to record the transactions into entries. Entries means journal entries. In the form of journal entries we have to make recording these entries into journal entries. Once if you prepare these journal entries, then after that the journal entries we have to post it into ledger. Ledger means nothing but accounts. Journal entries, if we post it in ledger, then only we'll come to know what is there and how much is left, like balance and all these things you'll come to know if you post it into ledger accounts. Related ledger accounts will prepare. If once the ledger accounts are over, posting ledger is over, the next process will be preparing trial balance. We need to prepare the trial balance. Once the trial balance is prepared, you know how to prepare the trial balance. If you don't, in the coming classes anyway, we are going to learn this trial balance in depth. Trial balance is the base and very important thing for the financial accounting. If trial balance is properly prepared, we can prepare any kind of accounts as per our requirement. So that much of importance trial balance. Once the trial balance is prepared and it is tallying, it is posted properly, then next stage will be preparing final accounts. Final accounts are also very important. Through the final accounts, we can say the company financial position, and we'll come to know exactly how much the company is earning profit or loss. And in final accounts only we'll have three kinds of stages. One is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Trading account will be writing the transactions which are related to the manufacturing level. Manufacturing company level, any kind of transactions we write it in the trading account. Then second one is profit and loss account. In profit and loss account we write the transactions related to the office level. After completion of manufacturing level, it moves to the office level. That office level transactions will write it into the profit and loss account. Once the profit and loss account is completed, means there we are going to get the net profit or net loss. After that we'll be preparing the balance sheet. With this final accounts we can decide the company's financial position. To some level we can understand how is the financial position of the company. So that's about the preparation of final accounts. This is the final stage of accounting process. If this is over, once again it starts the cycle, like business transactions will consider, then writing into entries, journal entries, then posting into ledger, trial balance, and final accounts. This is accounting cycle or accounting process. This accounting cycle or accounting process will be preparing for a particular time, particular period. Most probably many business people, they are following 1 year only. That 1 year can be January to December, or financial year like April 1st to 31st March, and some people follow mid of the year also, like June 1st to 31st July. Anything it can be, but particular period they are following this accounting cycle or accounting process. A simple concept, but it is important. So remember this. In the coming classes we'll